In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will append the text in Google Docs when a new ticket is created on Freshdesk. So let's start. Select Freshdesk as a trigger. Next, choose New Ticket as a trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we have to append the text in Google Docs. For that, select Google Docs. Choose Append Text as Action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, choose the folder and file. Add data from Freshdesk App Data. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Freshdesk, create a new ticket, enter the required contact details and other specifications, enter the description for the ticket, click on Create. Then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Google Docs. We can see a new text appended in Google Docs. So in this way, we can create an automation journey which will append the text in Google Docs when a new ticket is created on Freshdesk. I hope you liked this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.